All right, so I'm in the wood shop today making Native American style flutes. So I've been working on this one. As you can see, I got the blue tape holding the fetish or boat in place. And I've marked it as to its perfect position, but now let's play it. Let's see what it sounds like. Isn't that just pretty? G-scale flute. And I'll probably be selling these here on TikTok. You never know. Guys, let me know in the comments. Would you want to buy them here on TikTok, or should I just open a website? You let me know. But a little bit more. When it's all done, it'll get stained, it'll get prettied up with some artwork. It's going to be a nice flute, and I love the sound of this one. Beautiful sound.